Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of verifying ownership of your domain for Google Search Console. If you're ready, let's get started. In the search bar, type Google Search Console. Click on the first result. Click Start Now. Sign into your account. In your Google Search Console dashboard, click on the three dots menu. Click on the drop-down menu. Select Add Property. Enter your website URL and click Continue. Download the verification file. Now, log into your cPanel. In the search bar, type File Manager. Click on File Manager. In the search bar, type public_HTML. Click on public_HTML. Click on Upload, click on Select File. Wait for the file to upload. Return to Google Search Console and click Verify. Be patient. The verification process may take up to 6 hours to work correctly. Once it's verified, click Done. If everything is set up correctly, your website will be successfully verified. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.